yung CDM battalion natin. Meron pa yung support elements. Okay? Yung support elements natin, yung fire, medical, human rights, yung EOD, arresting officers, negotiation team, saka yung jail. Yun yung support elements natin nasa likod. So, yun na yung buong CDM contingent natin. Kayo, yung batalyon, CDM batalyon, saka sa likod yung support elements. Ngayon, magpiperform tayo sa CDM formation, saka movement, tactics. Hindi mo natin isuot yung complete gear.